There's a house just off a Halcyon Road, on a mesa overlooking the Central Coast. It's where my grandma and my grandpa both grew old, and it's always been my home away from home. I grew up playing in the backyard, swinging on the swing set. No idea what the real world was or how crazy it gets. Playing hide and seek with my cousins in the trees. No clue then how much it all would mean to me. I owe it all, I owe it all to the memories in those four walls. I owe it all, I owe it all to the ones that taught me to love big and strong. On Sunday mornings we would drive down to the beach. All of us kids piled into the back seat, run up and down the dunes and jump over the creeks. Since then I don't think I've ever felt so free. Come home and hang out in the parlor after the sun went down. That old beanbag from the 60s was the best seat in the house. Every night by 9 o'clock we'd end up singing Beatles songs. Three-part harmonies I swear still linger on. I owe it all, I owe it all to the memories in those four walls. I owe it all, I owe it all to the ones that taught me to love big and strong. When Grandpa finally said goodbye, we sat in the living room and cried, and I knew it would never be the same. We took a walk, watched the sunset, and knew it all would be okay.